This video will guide you to delete devices from the Kamonk app. There are 3 ways to delete devices from the Kamonk app. The first way. Open the Kamonk app on your phone and click on Home from the toolbar at the bottom. Select the device that you want to delete and click on the Edit button, which is at the top right corner of the screen. Now click on Remove Device and select Disconnect and Wipe Data. Click on Confirm to delete the selected device. The second way. Tap and hold any device from the home menu. Now, select the devices that you want to delete and click on Remove Device. Click on Confirm to remove the selected devices. The third way. Long touch any smart switch or fan regulator till you see the LED light blinking continuously. This usually takes about 20 seconds.